Mastering kitchen vocabulary, oven dish, explained. Hello, wonderful learners. Today we're going to expand your English vocabulary, especially when it comes to the kitchen. We'll be exploring the term oven dish, a phrase you might encounter in recipes, cooking shows, or while dining out. Understanding these specific terms not only helps you in the kitchen but also enriches your English vocabulary for everyday conversations. So, let's get cooking with words. When we break down the phrase, oven dish, it consists of two words that are simple on their own, but together, they refer to something specific in the culinary world. An oven is an appliance that cooks food by surrounding it with hot air, and a dish is a container such as a plate or bowl. Therefore, an oven dish is a type of cookware that is safe to use in an oven and is designed to withstand high temperatures without cracking or breaking. An oven dish can be made of various materials such as glass, ceramic, cast iron, or even certain types of metal. What makes an oven dish special is its ability to go from the oven directly to the table. It's a versatile piece of kitchen equipment used for baking, roasting, or gratinating foods. Durability and heat resistance are key qualities of an oven dish. To help you get comfortable with the term, let's see how it is used in everyday language. Could you please put the lasagna in the oven dish so we can start baking? I bought a new oven dish today. It's perfect for making casseroles. Remember to grease the oven dish before adding the mixture. Notice how the phrase is used to describe both the item and the action associated with it in a kitchen setting. There are various types of oven dishes, each suited for different kinds of meals. For instance, a roasting pan is typically larger and used for meats and poultry. A casserole dish has high sides and is perfect for layered baked dishes. A baking dish can be rectangular or square and is commonly used for cakes and brownies. Each of these can be referred to as an oven dish, but their specific names give you a clue about their most common use. And there you have it. You're now more familiar with what an oven dish is and how to use the term in context. This is just one of the many phrases that can make your English more fluent, especially when talking about cooking and kitchen utensils. I hope this has been an informative slice of learning for you. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to cook up a storm in the kitchen with your English skills. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.